Hezbollah, which is a proxy of Iran, is very, very clear. We know this connection, and we have a very good memory. That's first of all. But what we saw today, in the last days, is something which is very, very clear. What we saw is distinction between moral and democratic state and non-democratic and violent and terrorist states. This is what we saw in the recent days, the declaration that your Prime Minister made in a very clear voice, in a very clear message, in a very clear support to the State of Israel, show not only the bond and the friendship between India and Israel, it showed the line, the border between terrorist states and democratic and moral states. And this was very, very important for us, and it was very, very clear, and I would like to thank him and your government about your support about it.
And what you are saying about on Russia's President Putin's statement?
I tell you frankly, it's not an easy question, and I will tell you, I was not happy not to see a clear voice against slaughtering kids, women, elderly people, because this is nothing to do with politics right now. This is a criminal, it's a crime against humanity. This is a war crimes. And I think that in this case, all the world, including the Muslim world, should be united, condemn it in such a way, because if you will not condemn it, one day you will find such brutal activities, and I don't know even how to describe it. They are not terrorists. They are animals on two legs. I cannot even describe it in your state. Then if you will not fight against this radicalism in such a way, then the lesson will be here, see and understand all over the world, it's going to be a big mistake.
Okay. Around 10,000 Indians are in Israel. Are they safe, and how you are coordinating with them?
First of all, you have a very active and very good embassy in Tel Aviv, the Indian embassy in Tel Aviv. They know most of them. Some of them, most of them, they are okay. They are safe. Right now in Israel, it's a safe place. It's under war. Yes, there is a war, but we have the possibility to protect. We have our missiles, Iron Dome, that intercept all our. Then it's more or less it's okay. But all the Indians and the expatriates that wanted to leave Israel, as far as I know, they can leave. We have completely different issue right now that a lot of Israelis that actually came to India. India is a very popular place for Israelis. They would like to go back to Israel to help the efforts of the Israeli army, and this is something that we have to deal with that, and we are dealing with that in order to send them back home to help the efforts of the State of Israel.
And sir, Israel now using Iron Dome to overcome Hamas attack. What is Iron Dome?
Iron Dome is a protective shield of the Israeli missiles, the Israeli anti-Israeli missiles into Israel. Very extraordinary, state-of-the-art technology, and the success is in a percentage that I don't think that any other country can. You know, I was under attack of missiles when I was in Israel, and even today I have 3 kids in Israel. They are sometimes getting and they are going to the shelter, but I feel very, very safe because of this Iron Dome. It's give a comprehensive defense of missiles against Israel.
And sir, my last question is human ground. Would Israel provide shelter to innocent Palestinians who were forced to leave houses so far from Gaza Strip, where Israel is bombing?
Listen, they killed our kids. They misused our women. They killed our elderly and families. They did something which is against humanity. They will pay the price.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir, to interact with ETV Bharat. We are praying that Israel will get victory and overcome this war-like situation, and Israelis will live free and a happy life once again. With video journalist Anil Nirmal, Poonem, Apraaj, ETV Bharat, Mumbai.